My hand, make a stand up, what's up? Stand up! Yeah! Never let no one bring you down. When you fall, you get up. Listen to my words.
Okay, if you guys don't know me, my name is Elijah Tao, and I'm trying to be calm and stuff like that, but as soon as I turn on the camera, I just get nervous and I don't know what to say. It's kind of hard. Not it. Why do I get so freaking nervous? Oh, damn. If you guys ever watch my videos, you guys know that I just happen to play with a lot of stuff. Honest reason why I do that is because I get nervous. It's not because I'm a psychopathic killer who wants to kill your girlfriend. This is supposed to be a serious video. I'm supposed to be like heartwarming. I'm going way off topic. I haven't even started my topic actually. For all of you guys who contact me to do live performances, this is why I don't reply. I hate pressure. I can't, this is hard for me. You guys all talk to me as if like I'm talented or something. I'm the least talented person you guys can meet. Elijah Tao, you are fucking stupid. Okay, I'm gonna start from scratch. Today, I'm gonna be talking about Hmong pride. This is for the guys and girls who have messaged me who told me that they don't really have any more Hmong pride. I feel sad and offended at the same time. It's offensive because, you know, they get to be Hmong and here I am struggling to just show people that I am this. Why do I even have to prove to you guys that I'm Hmong? I care about what you guys do think, you know? People always say, well, who cares what others think? As long as you're happy, then you're good. The thing is, I'm not happy because I want to be accepted by my people. You guys are probably watching this. Get to the damn point, you dumbass. Okay, so I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna finish this video, even if it takes me the whole freaking day. And okay, this is the reason why my communication teacher hated me in college. I'm just gonna play with this little one here just to make me feel a little more comfortable, okay? I don't understand why that relaxes me. It might help relax me. Because, you know, I said I wouldn't, ow! Just poked myself, you know? And I screamed like a little bitch too. Okay, focus, you stupid ass. Ah, okay. So what I'm trying to say is, you know, it saddens me when shit. Like, I quit playing with my weapons and everything like that, especially because I hurt myself. But I quit playing with all that stuff because I'm trying to be serious for once, and I'm sucking at this because I just suck. Like, not that kind of suck, just I'm not gay. Do you hate the gay? Fuck. Oop. I gotta quit cussing. I get really nervous like this. I'm just starting to calm down now. I can feel it now. Maybe because my blood's getting drained. But you know, seriously, the cut's so small. I don't know why I'm being crying about. Maybe because I'm going off topic again. Christ. Oops. I didn't even swear. Okay, I'm just gonna get to the damn point of my video, okay? It's like a 10-second thing that I'm trying to say, but I'm making it take a whole freaking video, okay? Be proud of who you freaking are, okay? Be proud of who that. Be proud. I couldn't pick to be Japanese. I couldn't pick to be Chinese. I couldn't pick to be Vietnamese. I was Hmong. So I'm gonna be proud of that because that's who I am. That's what my father am. That's what my ancestors are. So I'm just gonna be proud of who I am, okay? A lot of people, they focus on the negativity of things. Like, they look at the Hmong people and then they focus on the gangbangers and how they're killing each other, and then they focus on the negative news and all that stuff like that, and then they're just like, man, fuck Hmong people. I'm not proud to be Hmong. That's stupid. Like, why are you focusing on those people? Those are those people and you are you. When people look at me, they're gonna still be like, that's a white person. But if I looked Hmong, fuck, I was doing good for a second there too. Hold on. You guys get what I'm trying to say though, right? I hope you guys do. You know, you can't change your blood. Just be proud of who you are. If you don't like who you are, do something about it. You know, I think you guys get the gist of what I'm trying to say, you know. Be the change that you want to see in the world. If you are not proud of who you are, do something to make yourself proud of who you are. Don't be embarrassed because of what others have done. Yeah, it is embarrassing that people will look at those things and be like, oh, so that's Hmong people for ya. You know, but, you know, you can't judge a whole group by what some people do. And it's sad that those people have done stupid things, you know. But at the same time, instead of turning your back on your whole culture and saying, okay, forget them, I don't know them, why don't you step it up and try to do something else? I'm done. Chong for watching. And, you know, if you guys unsubscribe, I understand. Oh, yo. Okay.
Deep inside, I'm better than this. Yeah! The hardest path to follow will be the one you create for yourself.